Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove watermark from photo in Photoshop. So first thing that you will do guys is just simply go ahead and tap on your keyboard Control J, and it will make a copy over here. And now once you have created a copy, just click on select and go for color range. And from here, make sure you are on sampled colors. And from here, guys, make sure the inverted is turned off and just simply click on this icon. And now just simply select the watermark. And after that, once you have done that, just make sure the fuzziness is 34. And from here, just click on OK. And now from here, once you have done that, just go for select again and go to select and mask. And from here, guys, make sure the radius is 60 over here. And after that, feather is 2 pixel. And from here, contrast will be 70. And the shape edge will be 30. And now from here, guys, just go for output settings. And make sure it is on selection and click on OK. And now, guys, from here, just go ahead and go to select again and go for modify. And from here, go for expand and make sure it is on 1 and go for OK. Now go for edit and go for fill. And from here, make sure it is content aware. And now click on OK. And from there, you'll be able to remove it. Just simply click on deselect and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.